In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order in Shopify on desktop. First, open your desktop web browser and log in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Orders. This takes you to your list of orders so you can quickly find the one you need to cancel. Click the specific order number to open its details. It's a good habit to glance over the order summary here to make sure you're canceling the right one, especially if you manage a high volume of orders. On the order detail page, locate the More Actions button, sometimes shown as a three-dot menu. Click that and choose Cancel Order from the drop-down. This opens a window where you'll make a few important choices that determine how the cancellation is handled. In the Refund Payment section, decide how you want to handle the customer's money. If you choose Original Payment Method, Shopify will send the funds back to the customer's card or payment account. Keep in mind that banks and payment gateways may take a few business days to show the refund. If you select Store Credit, the customer will receive credit to use in your store, which can be helpful for exchanges or maintaining goodwill, as long as your store has that permission enabled. If you pick Later, you're choosing to skip the refund right now and handle it manually at another time, which can be useful if you need to verify something internally before issuing funds. Next, use the Reason for Cancellation dropdown to select the most accurate reason. This helps keep your reports clean and can be useful for your team's audits and any potential payment disputes. Before you finalize, there are a few optional settings worth considering. If you check Restock Inventory, Shopify will return those items to your available stock, which helps keep your inventory accurate if nothing has shipped. You can also add a staff note. This is an internal note for your team, giving context like customer requests or fulfillment issues. Finally, you can choose to send a notification to the customer. If checked, Shopify will email the customer to confirm the cancellation and outline the refund details, which helps set expectations and reduce follow-up questions. When everything looks correct, click Cancel Order to complete the process. Shopify will cancel the order and process the refund according to the options you selected, and you'll see the order status change to canceled. That's all there is to it.